Hello, everybody. Surprise. Anyway, I picked up a package today, and it was such a surprise that it took such a short time to get here. It is the box containing the virtual card making retreat that's going to happen in January. And it arrived today, and I'm so excited to open it. And I thought, why don't I share with you what's in it? So if you're still on the fence about this event, I highly encourage you to really think about it, maybe even ask for it for your Christmas gift, because I don't think you'll regret it. Just as the virtual album retreat that happened a few months ago, there's lots to learn. It's really a fun experience. And don't worry about, the time commitment, because just jump in whenever you can. And then whatever you don't catch, there's always the replay. And that's the best thing about it. You can always go back and review it later. So without further ado, let me switch the camera around and show you what's in this box. All right. So as you can see, this is the virtual card making retreat that's that's happening January 22, 23. Not quite, I can't be sure, but you can check on my events listing and it will list it out there. And this is right now available for purchase. Okay, so let's open this up. Of course, I've cut it out, sliced it open already so that it is ready to be opened. And I always have lots of these bubble wraps. So if any of you are moving or need more bubble wrap, just let me know. I'd be happy to donate some to you, okay? So first thing is the dies. This is what really attracted me, was this die here. Look how intricate it is. Let me just open it up and see. Yeah, look at that. Oh my goodness. Looks like your little handy tool, what do you call those things? The little scrubby things will come in handy when you're working on this one. But look at that. I can't wait to see what fun projects the Stampin' Up artists will concoct for us. I'm always very pleased with their projects. So there's this die cut. And let me see. Okay, so the preview that we saw as demonstrators, there will be something that's created with using these flip flaps. Okay, and okay, so we've got some envelopes. I tell you, this is complete, even down to the envelopes they're providing us. So that's that. This must be one of the stamp sets. Sorry about the glare. Yeah, so this is one of the stamp sets. Just love the font. It's kind of a fun little font, right? Curly Q. Yeah, so that's one of the stamp sets that you're getting. Here are more envelopes. I think we're making like 10 cards, I think. Well, let's see. How many envelopes did I get already? That will tell me how many cards, right? Let's see. Let's gather up all the envelopes. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So you'll be making 15 cards in this retreat. Okay. And a pack of, got stuck here. A pack of these little nice embellishments, glossy dots. Okay. I think this is also available in the new catalog that's coming out, the spring catalog. And here's another stamp set. So you're getting 2 stamp sets. Oh, okay, I get it right now. Okay, so this set, I think conceivably would be available later. But this one, it is only available to those of us who are participating in the virtual card making retreat. So this is a limited edition. So cute. Okay, so that's that. And what's this? Oh, this is a little description of this event. Yep, January 22nd. So it's January 22nd. And for us on Guam, it'll start January 23rd. Okay. Yep, if you miss this session, no problem. Recordings will be posted. Okay. So, nice. So they include a pack of cardstock. That's nice. So you really don't need anything else. Everything that you will need is here. So these are die cuts. I think my light is, let me turn this off and see if it helps. Oops, no. No. There. Is it better? No, it's worse, isn't it? Ooh, that's the problem when I'm doing these lives in the evening. Okay, so this, okay. So basically, if you can see, these are all the die cuts that we will be using in the retreat. I'm so sorry about this, but there, I think you can see some of this, right? Yeah, too much glare. And of course, this is the DSP. I just love these DSPs. They are the anchor to most of my card making projects. Let's see. Open this up. Okay, so let's see. So this one, oh, they're one-sided. Oh, I can just imagine coloring this. This is a nice neutral. Oh, you know what? Look at this. That's right. They have all the cutting lines available as well. I mean, I tell you, they think of everything. So this is really going to be dummy proof, okay? So they tell you this is number 13, you cut this. Wow, everything is well thought of. So this is a nice basic neutral background. There's one. This is pretty too. Put this on the side here. Ooh, I like this one too. And again, the cutting directions are all here, so you don't make a mistake. Okay. And one thing that was mentioned was you get a whole bunch of these dual color, dual tone cardstocks. Look at that. You're getting them side by side. Isn't that cool? So you get this, there's this. This is petal pink, I believe. So you see the two tones, and that is something different and unique that they don't have in their product offering. Yeah, see? All the directions are here, your cutting lines. And isn't this fun? So you know this is a 6, right? Because of this. Or, yeah. So this is a 6, and this is a 9. Way to go, Stampin' Up. That makes it very, very clear. Because, you know, how many times have you seen the 6 and you wonder if it's a 6 or a 9, right? So, great value. So if you're on the fence, I highly recommend you rethink it, because I am never disappointed with Stampin' Up's classes, retreats, because they are very entertaining, because you learn a lot, you get inspired, and what's not to love about a whole day's worth of stamping? And all the instructions are there. Its self-contained unit is right here. You don't need to add anything else other than maybe a few extra pieces, like your glue and stuff. But anyway, so this is the unboxing for the virtual card making retreat. And I hope it kind of piques your interest and maybe have you think about it. Put it on your wish list. Maybe Santa will bring it to you. All right? All right. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.